Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video, I will give you all the details about Hitachi AC remote function and all the buttons in very simple words. So let's start the video. This button is on and off button. It can turn AC on and off. You can see in the screen of the remote, a small box symbol is visible. It shows that your AC remote is on. After that, the next button is temperature up and down button. You are seeing 16-degree temperature in the remote, and the more you press the up button of the temperature, the more your AC will start reducing the cooling. In this, the highest temperature is 32 degree. In 32 degree temperature, your AC will reduce the cooling. And you want comfort cooling and you also want to save electricity bill, then you run your AC in 26-degree temperature. If you are feeling cold, then keep your AC in 27-degree temperature, it will save your energy. And if you are feeling less cooling in 26-degree temperature, then you can use your AC in 24-degree temperature and 25-degree temperature. The more you lower the temperature down button, the more your AC will cool down. It has the lowest temperature of 16 degree. In 16-degree temperature, your AC will do a lot of cooling. Then the next button is fan. This button is for the fan speed of the air that comes from the indoor unit. It works in 3 speed: high, medium, and take some more. You can set the fan speed according to your own. By keeping the fan speed high, the cooling in the room will be very quick and the air will spread quickly. Then the next button is mode. Mode works in 4 ways: cool, dry, fan, and auto. Now I will tell you about all the modes in more detail. This arrow mark is in cool. In this the AC will cool, and in this mode all the buttons on the remote will work. After that, press the mode button again, then dry mode will come. You can use this dry mode in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat in the room, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. After that, press the mode button again, then the fan will come on. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you want to use AC fan only, then you can use fan mode. In this mode, AC cooling will not work, only fan will run. After that, press the mode button again, then auto will come. In auto mode, AC will do cooling on its own. In this mode you cannot set temperature, AC will work on its own. After that, press the mode button again, then cool mode will come. This arrow mark is in cool. In this the AC will cool and all the buttons on the remote will work. Next button after that is H swing. You can use the H swing button to up and down the swing flap in front of the AC. If you press the H swing button once, the swing flap will start moving up and down, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, then you press the swing button again, then the H swing flap will stop there. The next button is filter. There is a red light in the indoor unit. When there is dust in the filter, it turns on. Then we have to remove the filter and clean it, and after putting the filter back in the AC, the red light will be on and that red light will be off. Use the filter button too. AC switch will be on and AC will be off, then you will press filter button from your remote, then your red light with filter will be reset. Next button is timer on. By pressing the timer button, 0.5 half-hour timer will come. You can set the timer from half an hour to 24 hours according to your own time. Just set the timer by showing you AC, then the timer will be set automatically. To turn off the timer, you have to press the timer off button, then the timer will be off. And you can also turn off the timer by pressing the on-off button on the remote. You can see two small holes are visible in the remote. If your remote is hanging or not working, then you can reset your remote with the help of safety pin and your AC remote will be reset. And press the lock button with the pin, then the remote will be locked. As you can see. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video and subscribe to my channel.